Hey, what's up XRP holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another update of the XRP. My friends, it is the end of month, so get ready for the July month. What will be going on in the XRP Ripple coin? What will be the price of XRP? Is the price pump in the future or not? And this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, also like this video. Hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, at this time, if we look the latest price of the XRP at this time in the market, so now the currently latest price of the XRP is 0.6399999 USD dollar. That is the price of XRP in dollars, and here is the BTC Bitcoin price of the XRP. My friends, now at this time in the end of June, everything is going positive in the XRP Ripple coin. The price is going increasing, the market cap is going increasing, 24 hours trading volume is increased, available supply, total supply, everything is going good. Now in the end of June, I'm talking about the end, unfortunately at the start of June the price of XRP is fast down, but now in the end everything is going good. You can see last 24 hours, yesterday price changes of the XRP is also positive 4.94%. so as I told you, my friend, that in the end of at this time now the price of XRP is positive and the price is increasing now. My friends, if we do a technical analysis of the XRP price chart, so you can see here, let's suppose that is a resistance line and that is a support line. So now at this time the price falls down and they here now in this time they streak with the support line. So now at this time they again start pumping, my friends. So my prediction is positive about XRP Ripple coin, and absolutely there is a possibilities to the XRP will continue this pump for long term. Maybe throughout this whole July month the XRP continue this pump, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about XRP? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.